I was sent this portable electric nail drill. I'm going to show you how it works. So you can use it on gel nails, acrylic nails. I don't have any of that. I actually don't even have nail polish on, but what I'm going to do is shape my nails with this. So it comes with everything you need. You get a USB cord. It is cordless, but you just want to make sure it is charged. And then you have 9 drill bits that it comes with. So you get a whole variety, and there is an instruction book of which ones to use for everything. Plus, did you know you can even use this on your calluses? Like, how cool is that? So I have this one here. Because I'm going to shape, I'm going to go for just one of the bigger ones and then one of these. So you just put it right on like so. And then it's really easy to change out the different drill bits. It just goes like that. This is your on off button up here. Hold that for a few seconds till it turns on. There you go. And then you can change the direction it spins, forward or backwards, which is really cool. And then you can also adjust low, medium, and high. So to shape, wow, you can see at high, it will shape my nails fast. What I'm going to do is take it down to start at low. And this is so cool. So you can do this at your home and shape your nails, take off your nail polish. It's like having a personal nail salon, but at home, which is so cool. And I love that you can do all these other things with it, like removing calluses. So if you're looking for a really nice nail drill, I think you're gonna love this one.